Hello, dear parents. Pastor E here. Firstly, thank you for checking in on the channel and sharing these Bible video lessons with your little ones. I hope that time spent watching these videos can also turn into valuable learning and bonding time with them as well. So here are 4 action points to guide you along on how you may accompany and guide your child as they watch the video lessons. First, watch the video first to get yourself familiarized with the content before showing it to your child. In this way, you will know what to expect and where the learning points are. Second, you may pause the video at appropriate points to facilitate discussion and reflection with your child. For example, you can pause the video when a question is being posed to them. Do take time to listen to their own responses. You can also pause at important junctures of the video. For example, you can pause at the Bible verse for them to read the verse on their own, or pause at the learning point for them to read and digest it. So feel free to use the video, pause, replay, and go along at your child's pace. Third, observe how your child is responding to the video. If you sense that they are responding differently, then turn it into an opportunity to correct any wrong thinking that they may have. Also, keep yourself open to any questions your child may have, and please don't write them off. Turn these moments into learning opportunities both for your child and for yourself. Fourth, discuss. Take time to discuss learning points and lesson responses with your child. For example, if the lesson prompts them to think about what they can give to others, then take time to listen to their responses. Dive into their world, listen to what they want to say, affirm, and encourage. So 4 actions that you can do. Watch first, pause appropriately, observe your child, and discuss learning points and lesson responses. Also, you can keep yourself up to date with the latest video on the channel by turning on your subscription notifications, and you will be notified when the channel has a new video. However, do note that because each individual video is set as made for kids, certain features like comments, adverts, and notifications will be disabled. But in any case, I think that if you are subscribed, you will know when a new video is uploaded. And one last point, I am so encouraged and excited so far listening about how children have responded to the videos. And so, if you have photos, videos, or comments that you would like to share about Bible story time, you may add a hashtag Bible Story Time to share your experience with me. Once again, thank you so much for checking in on the channel. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'm praying with all of you as you nurture your child in His Word. Take care and God bless.